This will become the first Thomas the Tank Engine DVD opening and closing in 3 years. And yep, this is my better copy of this DVD we're going to be doing the opening and closing to. We did it on VHS in 2022, but now we're doing it on DVD. Last year I did the opening and closing to 2 Thomas Family VHSs, which are the best Thomas episodes ever, and the best Thomas songs of all time Part 1. Episodes for this DVD include Too Hot for Thomas, Emily's Adventure, You Can Do It Toby, Gordon Takes Charge, Edward the Great, James Goes Too Far, and Percy and the Magic Carpet. This one has the United Kingdom artwork in it, as you can see here. Here's the DVD itself that we're going to be doing the opening and closing on. And just like the Arthur DVD opening and closing, I will be using my Xbox 360 for this DVD. Now, no copyright infringement intended for this video. Just like the opening to the VHS version of it, we will be showing the intro to the show, and we will also be showing you the Island of Sodor opening sequence to this, as you can see here. And part of the beginning of the episode Too Hot for Thomas.
Hop on board and explore the island of Sodor with everyone's #1 friend, Thomas the Tank Engine. You'll join in on the excitement and adventure with all of Thomas's friends. There's the cheerful but sometimes accident-prone Percy, the proud and strong Gordon, James with his splendid red coat, the long and fast Henry, the always helpful Bertie, everyone's new friend Emily, and Sir Topham Hatt, the superintendent of the railway, who makes sure everything keeps running right on time. Each release in this award-winning collection contains stories that teach the valuable life lessons of friendship and working together, and the importance of trust and honesty.
Thank you for looking after my passengers. I do like company, especially children's company.
And now, little engineers have an express ticket to trainloads of interactive fun, now available on DVD. Join your railway friends as they take you to island destinations such as the Fun and Games Shed, Sing-Along Station, Read-Along Depot, and the Character Gallery, where you'll meet each engine up close and personal. Each Thomas the Tank Engine release is engineered for fun. The journey starts here, so climb aboard for all of
Thomas's Snowy Surprise is one of the DVD they had, along with the Thomas and his friends Help Out DVD.
Hello, I'm Thomas, and I'd like to welcome you to the island of Sodor. I hope your journey here was a pleasant one. Mine sure was. My friends and I have been so excited to know you were coming, and we are all ready to show you why it's great to be an engine. You can play all stories on It's Great to Be an Engine, or you can go directly to the Fun and Games port, where Cranky can lead you to game adventures. Or, if you'd like, you could express yourself directly to the story of your choice.
Now, after the release of Steamies vs. Diesels, this one came out on DVD around September 2004. Now let's play the stories.
So let's get started.
Let's play the intro and the Island of Sodor's opening sequence.
Thomas and friends, making tracks to great destinations. The island of Sodor,
is surrounded
No
by
copyright
beautiful
infringement
blue
intended
sea.
for this.
It has fields of green and sandy yellow beaches. There are rivers, streams, and lots of trees where the birds sing. There are windmills and a coal mine, and docks where visitors to the island arrive. The island also has lots and lots of railway lines. Who's that puffing down the track? It's Thomas! Hello, Thomas! Hello, everybody! Welcome to the island of Sodor.
It's great to be an engine. Too hot for Thomas.
It was a baking hot summer on the island. Wasn't magic.
Here is the closing to this.
Percy and Gordon were not so sure.